Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Windsurf for free. In order to do so, here we are at windsurf.com, and what we're looking for can be found pretty much right in front of your eyes as you log in. You'll see here the Windsurf editor. You can download it for Windows. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So as you can see, we do have a free tier. We have the option to download. Let's go ahead and click on download. And it does appear that we only have the option to download for Windows. Let's go ahead and hit explore. Let's find out for sure if that is the only way to download this. It does seem that it is currently only available for Windows 64 and ARM 64. So if you want to download Windsurf Editor, basically you're going to have these two options. It doesn't look like at this time, here we go, see all download options. Let's see. So we do have the option to download it for Mac, Linux, and Windows. The Windows option is displayed prominently. Now, that could be because I am on a PC. It could be just noticing that and giving me that option. But it does appear that we do have the option to download for Mac, Linux, and Windows. And if we see the pricing here, we will find that for free, you get a 2-week pro trial. You get 25 credits a month. You get all premium models. You get optional 0 data retention, unlimited fast tab, unlimited cascade base, unlimited command previews, 1 app deploy per day. So you can do a fair amount with the free version. And then up from there, we've got the pro version for $15, Teams for $30, and Enterprise at $60. So really quite reasonably priced. So if you're interested in downloading Windsurf for free, just head over to windsurf.com and you can download it for PC, Mac, or Linux. And you could see here everything that you gain access to in the free version. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations as well as our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it.